Okay, that was fully cooked noodles and chilled in the fridge. An imitation crab, can of peas, sharp cheddar cheese cubed, and Miracle Whip. It's looking good. We haven't had this for so long. Oh, and the magic trick, adding some ranch dressing. Yes. Yes. And salt and pepper. Nice. Nice. Oh, garlic powder. Yep. Look at how good that looks. Wonderful. Mm-mm-mm. And then that goes in the fridge. One more thing. What are you looking for?
Paprika.
It's over by the fridge. It's on the bottom shelf. It's the middle one. Yep. I know it's not in the peas, but it wouldn't fit because I got everything in alphabetical order. But it wouldn't fit up there. Yum. Perfect, yes.
Yummy.
And
We'll cover it with saran wrap.
Yeah, cover with saran wrap, and that'll be...
Which is important, keep the fish fresh.
Yep. Look at that. I'm going to zoom in on this. Whoop. Just look at how good that looks.
Wow, this thing is really
Yummy. Now go in the fridge probably all night.
Doesn't have to. A couple hours is sufficient if you want to serve it tonight. Otherwise, tomorrow.
Well, I'm probably going to have a midnight snack.
Well, me too. That looks too good to leave alone.